Everyone is waiting for that aggressive move to come into the market for massive gain on Bitcoin and other altcoins in the market. And there are two reasons why we've not seen that aggressive pump yet in the market. And that is what I'll be talking about in today's video using this simple chart. And also Kaspa price analysis. A divergence is making the market to come back down right now. And you need to protect yourself and know what is going on Kaspa price prediction. All of these in this very video. So watch this video till the very end. Let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Everybody is waiting for aggressive pump to come into the market, but two reasons that you need to pay attention to and why we've not seen that aggressive move come into the market is this. The first thing is this very chart, which is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay, the Bitcoin dominance chart show us the flow of money from Bitcoin into altcoins, and as you can see on this very chart from here, this was 2017 where we experienced the bull run in 2017. This was February, and this is a 1 month chart. Okay, so each of these candles are 1 month candles, and if you look at this very point, 1st March 2017, and this very big candle appear right here, and market begin to crash back to the downside. What this means is that money begin to flow from Bitcoin into altcoin. Therefore, the domination of the percentage in Bitcoin now reduce, and most of the money now flow into alternative coin, including meme tokens. And that is why we see this chart begin to move right down. And that was the bull market in 2017 entering early 2018 before the bear market started. And after that in 2017 we see another major move again right here in 2021 January. Okay, 1st January 2021, market begin to come back aggressively to the downside again right here, and the market begin to come back down all through 2021, and then 2022 the bear market enter and into 2023 as well. So this is exact same thing we need to watch out for and pay attention to. So are you expecting any big move soon? If you've not seen any aggressive bearish candle on this very chart to the downside, that big move continuation will not happen. Okay, so once we see an aggressive candle, a bearish candle now come to the downside right here and begin to form downward and cross below this 50% level on this very Bitcoin dominant chart, don't expect any aggressive move in several months. Okay, it will not happen until we see that. And what that means is money is flowing from Bitcoin into alternative coin, which is what happened in every bull market. So if you are waiting for that big move to happen, you must have to see this first, and then you know that the market is going to begin to crash back down, and altcoins, meme token, and every other coin, including Bitcoin itself, is going to pump hard to the upside. This is very important, guys. And the second reason why the major pump you are expecting right now have not happened is because there is no Fed interest rate cut yet. And one of the things I am paying attention to is Fed interest rate cut. So once we see Fed interest rate cut, that will mean that people can be able to borrow at a lower interest rate, which means market is going to move down because people are going to have a lot of money to borrow, pay little interest rate. That means much of spending, and people will want to invest more because they want to borrow because of low interest, and so that they can invest. This is very important. So once we see that Fed interest rate begin to come in, then know that that aggressive move is going to come in, and we're going to see that also on the Bitcoin dominant chart right here. Two reasons that you need to expect to happen first of all before that aggressive move is going to come into the market on all cryptocurrency across board. And Kaspa, if you look at Kaspa right here, market is coming back down gradually after this little pump to the upside. If you look at it, there is a move, and I marked out these two zones, that these are the critical zone that you need to watch out for, because market have capacity of coming back to the downside into this very level of support before moving upward. And if we break this level of support right here, we're going to come into this area before that final move to the upside. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. Pay attention to this very point of support and this other level of support, okay? And when people ask me when should I buy Kaspa, the right time to buy is now, and your dollar cost average when you are buying, okay? This is very important at the moment. And if you look at the chart, this very drop coming in right now is a result of a divergence that is already on this chart, which is what we should pay attention to right now from here to the upside. And if you bring out the RSI indicator, you see this divergence that appear clearly on the chart. So one confirmation is a breakout on the trend line, which is very important right now. So from here, you can draw this trend line from this point to this very area to this very point, which is what is going on at the moment. Once this breakout happens, then this divergence is confirmed. So a breakout here is a clear move that market is going to correct significantly into this very zone of important support before moving to the upside. And if we break out on this very level of support, the next support you should expect is from here to the upside. And for me, I am expecting that this is the final level, or this is the final point, these two support levels, before market is going to skyrocket to the upside on Kaspa. What that means is, if you did not buy here or this very point, or where the market is right now, you may not see Kaspa price at this very price level of 0.172, where the market is right now, or at this very point, or at this very support level as well. So these are the two levels, and where the market is right now is where to buy, and your dollar cost average when you want to buy. So from here, after this move, market is going to shoot up drastically to the upside, and you may not be able to catch that very move. So pay attention to this very breakout coming in right now. After this move, the next move is a pump to the upside, and you won't want to miss out on that very move. So the best time to buy is now, and your dollar cost average as the market keep going to the downside for this very bearish divergence on the chart. So pay attention to this bearish divergence. Market is going to shift position to the downside on Kaspa. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, there is something different on the 4-hour chart which we are not seeing on the 1 day, and this is also very critical for market moving upward. If you look at it on this very point, market create a slight new high and then come back down a little bit. But if you look at the RSI indicator, market is sloping downward. So from here, I am expecting the market to keep coming back to the downside, in as much as we are still maintaining this very level. Market is going to keep going down, and then if we see a breakout, we'll look at the market moving to the upside again for the immediate short term. Okay, so this is very short term. This is not what we are seeing on the 1-day chart, although the 1-day chart controls the 4-hour chart. So market have high capacity of keep coming back to the downside than moving upward on Kaspa USDT chart. And don't expect any aggressive move on Bitcoin and every other altcoin, except we see this very significant drop with bearish candle and also Fed interest rate cut in the next coming months. So that is very important. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.